The 1st Armored Brigade Combat Team, 1st Armored Division is rapidly mobilizing in response to Operation Pacific Fortitude. With the Emergency Deployment Readiness Exercise looming, time is of the essence. The 2nd Battalion, 3rd Field Artillery, normally equipped with the M109A6 Paladin, faces a new challenge. To ensure mission readiness, they're undergoing intensive familiarization training on the M109A6 variant. Expert instructors and soldiers from the 4th Battalion, 27th Field Artillery are sharing their knowledge, bridging the gap between the two Paladin models, ensuring proficiency across the force. Subtle differences between these powerful platforms demand meticulous attention and training. As the deployment deadline approaches, the intensity grows. Soldiers from both units forge a bond, united by a common mission and esprit de corps. Their resilience and adaptability are a testament to the strength of the field artillery. Artillery Table 5 certifications validate their proficiency, certifying them as ready to deploy and meet the mission. Lethal additions to the 1st Armored Division, 1st Armored Brigade Combat Team. Thanks to the efforts of 427th Field Artillery, the artillerymen of 2-3 Field Artillery are now ready to deploy to the Republic of Korea. Operation Pacific Fortitude demonstrates our unwavering dedication to peace and security in the region.